Welcome back, welcome back. We've got the Cheetah Cat. I've got two sets of 6S's. We're going to run some roaring tops, 4400s, and some SMCs, 5300s. I've never ran these props, 4219s. Thought it'd be fun. Just been a long day for us. It'll be, a new video for y'all, but we've just been out here all day running realistically a dozen boats, and this will be the last for the day for us. And then Fred will be taking the journey on back to Tennessee. So let me get this all put together, get it out on the water, and let's see how she performs. Okay. First time running these props, let's see how they do. She was scalding, man. All right, let's see. It only says 48 right here. I don't believe that. I believe it did faster than that. Luckily, with the fiberglass lid, I've got the dynamite in it. We should get a better relative speed. Go to the other end, try to get a full rip. Ooh-wee. Yeah, it says 64. I still think it did faster than that. You think that was faster than 64?
Yeah.
Yeah. She likes to push. I get so nervous with that jug there. Woo! All right, let's bring it in. Check the temps. Those are only 4,400 mile packs. Woo! A little bit of cooling going on there. All right. Oh my God. My heartbeat is like beating out of my chest.
You're gonna love that video.
All right. Oh. Wait till I get the bill for the video. Oh my God.
Little teasers and say, yeah, you want the whole thing? Yeah. All right.
Dynamite still should be somewhat accurate. But yeah, okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and run some water through it. Gotta cool those ESCs, man. Those ESCs are gonna be hot. And they may not be. These props may be slightly different. I know when I run the 1816s, they're really hot. Come on, Yellow Jacket, get on. I got him.
Yeah, you did.
I pissed him off. He's gonna sting me now. All right, let's open it up. All right, let's open it up. See?
I think the cat knows
smoke
more than we do.
Batteries.
One I had, I lost
125.
years ago.
120.
So he's only 2.
125.
I got him
114.
about a month or so after I lost the last dog I had.
118. Motors are never
Baited
hot.
on him to begin with. He's
See the motor on this side?
the only one
Yeah,
in the litter.
97. So the motors always stay hot.
He's the
Okay,
only
here we
one.
go.
All the others, they go off and
Not
play.
bad.
They just sit there like this and look.
73. 73.
You say, well, I guess you're interested. You're
Chinese
the one.
props.
Stay down. Good job.
Not bad. But, you know, roaring top. So we got small batteries. So 73 ain't bad. I'm kind of curious what this said. See, this says 63.
He's only 2. He's still a puppy.
Kind of crazy.
Oh, he's too much pup.
May not just be getting good reception today. Sometimes we get better satellite signal
He than
than other days.
Hi to everybody.
All right, let's go ahead. We're going to let this cool down. Then we're going to run the SMC packs. We're back for round 2. The 5300 SRD packs in here. And I went ahead and took the liberty of swapping out the props to the Dr. props. These are 45-16s or 17-16, whatever you want to call them. But I took these off. They seem to do okay, but I know for a fact that I've gotten faster speeds out of those. So maybe the others were loading it up too much, or maybe they just weren't good for overall speed, or who knows. But the day's getting short. Time for us to get out on the water for the last run. All right, let's do it. I think I got a power cut on one side. She's just too hot still. I got amp cut. The X8S's will do this thing some good. That's only about half throttle. Oh, inside motor got too hot again. Need to let it cool down. Woo! She's fast.
Thanks, Phil, for having us here.
Anytime. This is gonna do some slow passes. She's a little hot. The motors always relatively stay cool compared to the ESCs, so we're going to upgrade the ESCs. I don't want to overheat it or cook anything. Oh, let's bring it in. Let's see. Yeah, W-Fly GPS just ain't getting any service right now. Oh, get the mud off of it. All right, let's bring it to the table and open it up and see what the dynamite says. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see. No smoke. That's good. Check the speed first. 62 again. It seemed faster than that. This one says 63, so I guess we're spot on. I couldn't really give it all the gas. She was just too hot. She kept amp cutting. Yeah. Motors are always nice and cool. 103. Battery 104. 104. Okay. Well, we're gonna call it there. It's getting late. Good girl. Well, man, oh man, what a day that was. We had an absolute blast running boats. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm going to use this this outro for the rest of these videos, and we'll catch y'all at the pond later.